Hello everyone, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. I hope you're doing well today. We had a couple clients calling recently because they wanted to upgrade WX system to GX. And since there is no tool to upgrade from WX to GX, they wanted to know how they could export the users from WX and then being able, using that CSV file, to import the same users in GX. It's very, very simple. We did a tutorial on how to import users in GX with a CSV file. So if you want to refer to that, you can search the playlist and you will find that tutorial as well. But it's a very quick video. Again, let's say if you have a client who then becomes a multi-site, right? So they used to have only one building, but now they're moving some of the production to a different building, or they just bought a different company anyway. So they want a global system instead of a single WX panel, right? So now I'm going to show you easily how to export the users from the WX system. So this way you're able to actually bring those users back into a GX and then reprogram the system as it was before, okay? One of the interesting thing is when you export the users in WX, when you import them in GX, if there's not already an access level with the same name, from the WX export, it's going to create a new access level for you, okay? So exporting users from WX is very simple. We need to go under users and then user search. Automatically the system starts searching and it will display the whole list, okay? So if I don't enter a search criteria at the top, it's gonna show all the users in my database, okay? So you see I have 4 users. I simply have to hit this button here to export, right? Now let's say I wanna replace the old file, and then I save, I'm gonna replace it, and that's it. So okay, that was very simple. Now if I go to the downloads folder, here, no downloads, exported users. It will open in Excel. So you see now you have all these tabs, and then when you import in GX, you just need to select the tab you want to import the data from, and that's it. So this was obviously a lot easier than recreating all those users from scratch, and then the rest of the system can be reprogrammed, okay? So basically this was how to export users from a WX database when either importing them into another WX or simply importing them into a GX system because you're doing an upgrade. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget, we have our channel and the playlist showing all those tutorials and system and device presentations. So if you need help with our products, you can refer to these. And also you can reach out to our support and sales team from the Inaxsys.com website. Again, my name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. See you soon.